Next question. So this is even more interesting and very important. So we all people know tube wells. Yes, all right. There is a like a cylindrical tube wells. Am I right? All of you? Yes. So imagine this is a tube well.
Sir.
There is a tube well. Okay, like it's a pressing mechanism, like something. So there is a block passing between them. It's a tube well actually. So there is a block. Let me take block. So which is actually going downwards, pressing downwards. So with the velocity of V1 is equals to 4 meter per second. How much it is? 4 meter per second. Okay. Now there is another block. All of you observe very carefully. First I will draw inclined surface. So there is another block which is exactly present below it. See this block. This block is not plane. Have you noticed it? Everybody, this is not down, it is inclined. Clear everyone? Yes,
Sir.
that
Yes,
is
sir.
what. So moving with the velocity of V2. Moving with the velocity of what? V2. Okay. And the angle is, this angle is 30 degrees. So now the question is calculate the V2. That's all is the question. So option A, 2 meter per second. Option B, 4 meter per second. Option C, 6 meter per second. Option D, 8 meter per second. Okay. So let me see who will solve. First, it is a constrained motion. So it's a constrained velocity. It's a particular direction it is going. Constrained motion it is. So constrained motion here what? Tension or normal reaction or constrained motion? Yes, please.
Normal reaction.
It is a normal
Reaction.
reaction. That's all. So there are velocity. So summation of n into v is equals to what? Everybody. 0. That's all. If you apply that block 1, block 2. First block 1 you draw. So block 1 is a perfect rectangle. So that's all. So perfect rectangle means normal reaction will act in what direction? Normal reaction here. Normal. Upward direction.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes, sir.
By the second body. So normal is upward direction. So normal is acting upward direction. And you can see that what is happening. Velocity is acting what direction? Downward direction. Okay.
Downward.
So both are opposite. So what will happen first? N into minus V1 plus. Am I right? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Next, second body. So second body, be very, very careful. So second body, all of you observe, the second body is like this. It's not a plane. It is down, it's inclined. Am I right? All of you? So now we know that. So for this body, normal reaction will act downwards or upwards? Normal reaction. Downwards. That is what. So I will take it here. Normal reaction, downward direction. So we all knows that. And velocity is acting in this way. Velocity is acting in this way. Correct? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So here or here, velocity is same. That is what V2. So now we all knows that. So they have given a, all of you observe very carefully. So here is the 30 degrees angle means at every point, what is the angle? Here also, what is the angle?
30 degrees.
30 degrees.
30 degrees.
Then here how much? It is the 90. Here 90 means here how much is remaining?
60 degrees.
So normal it is. So how much you have to take? Cos 30 or cos 60? Fastly. Cos
60.
60. That point only very tough point. Asidan, you understand that point, Laksha? That you understand, clear everyone. Okay. Then velocity is also downwards and normal is also downwards. So here what will happen? N into V2 cos 60 or cos 30?
60.
60.
I hope everybody understand how it will be 60. Clear everybody? So here 30 means here also 30. Then how much is remaining? Remaining angle. This both are 90. That both are 90 means remaining how much? 60 only.
60.
Okay. Then NN will get cancelled. Then I will say V2 cos 60 is equals to V1. So V1 value, how much it is? 4 meter per second. So V2 is equals to cos 60 value. How much ra? Cos 60 value.
3 by
1 by 2.
Hey, cos 60 ra.
2.
Inna Rudresh. Cos
Yes,
60
sir,
value
1 by
how
2.
much?
Sir, 1 by 2.
Just be careful.
8 meter per second.
Okay, finish it. Now what is the answer?
8 meter per second.
8 meter per
8 meter per second.
8 meter.
Make it quick. Understand everybody? Mr. Monish, no response at all. Rohit, Narayan. Completed? Solid. Manya Samaya solving?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Last question. Shall we start now? Everybody ready? This is a one more
Yes,
question,
sir.
very important question. You have to be very careful. There is a tube well. Mention it. If you don't know the name, if you forgot, so you mention it. This is what actually there is a bore well or tube well. You can take it. So there is a tube well. Now, one surface is one like something. One block is pressing. One block is pressing. See that this is not a plane like before. It is inclined. Clear, everybody? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now there is a down inclined surface. I'll draw neatly. So just check it. All of you, there is an inclined surface now. So it is going to come and hit this inclined surface. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
That is what
Yes,
it
sir.
is. What is the name of this one? This is only used to called as wedge. Okay. When this block is going downwards and hitting, so this block will start moving in this direction. So this is what it is. Now this block one is coming downwards with acceleration of A1 is equals to 9 meter per second square. How many meter per second square, everybody?
9 meter per second.
second square. That's all it is. So now you have to find it. What is the acceleration of this body? That's all it is, wedge. Okay. So how to solve it? Let me see. It is. I will draw first. Free body diagrams you draw. FBDF first one. Block one. Okay. I'll change the colors and I'll draw. So try to understand and you should speak very carefully. So block one is not like rectangle. It is some inclination down. Am I right or wrong? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So inclination. Now all of you observe very carefully. So now here, what is the main thing? Here it is a 37 means inclination. Then here also what is that? This all are same. Then here also what is the angle?
37.
Yes, please. 37. It's not
37.
mentioned in the question. You should understand. That is why you should take it to second diagram again. Okay, guys? All of you? Yes, that is what. So now acceleration is acting downwards. So that normal, it is inclined surface. So normal will act in this direction. Clear, everybody?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah, then here also normal is same direction. So now here angle is 37. Then means remaining angle this is how much?
53.
Then if it is 53, then here this surface and this normal, how much it is again? It is again how much it is? 37. Am I right?
37.
37.
Yes,
So
sir.
the acceleration is downwards, normal is like this. So what is the angle now? Fastly. What is that? N cos 37 into minus 7 or plus 7? Minus. Both are opposite. Plus. Then this wedge you see that. How to find a wedge. So wedge is, all of you observe very carefully. This is wedge is similar to like a 37 angle. Am I right or wrong? 37 triangle. Correct? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, if the normal is acting here in this direction, means at this point normal is acting downward direction. Clear, everybody? Am I right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
All of you?
Yes,
Then
sir.
at this point here, what is the angle, Rudreshwar? Here also, here 37.
37.
Here also how much? Here also
37.
37. Then what is the normal reaction angle? How much? Remaining angle, normal. It is this. If this is 37 means, then remaining angle is how much, Ra?
53.
53. Clear or not? Understand, Amalaksha?
Yes, sir.
Yes, then here what will happen? N into A2 into cos 53 or cos 37 or fastly?
53.
Cos
Cos
53.
53.
Okay, then NN will get cancelled. So what is that? A2 cos 53, which is equals to A1 cos 37. Yeah, fastly tell me, we have solved many times. So A2 is equals to cos 53 value fast. Cos 53 value 3
3
by
by
4.
4.
A1 value எனக்கு தெரியும் 9 into cos 37 value
4 by
4
4 by 5.
4 will get cancelled. 3 ones are 3 threes are. So A2 is equals to how much?
12.
12 meter per second.
12 meter per second.
Second square.
Per second square. So what is the acceleration now? 12 meter per second square. So for this question also there is options, MCQs. This is MCQ. 4 meter per second square, 12 meter per second square, 24 meter per 24 meter per second square, and option D, 6 meter per second square. Okay, everybody. So what is the correct option?
Sir,
Option.
second square, sir.
Option
Meter per second square only, brothers. Where I missed it?
A2 is equal to 12
A2.
meter per second square.
12 meter per second square. That's all. Am I right? Anything missed?
Okay, sir.
What happened, brothers? Anything mistake I have done?
Sir, no, sir, nothing.
Okay. But here you remember.
Sir.
Here, tell me, Rudra, sir.
Sir, that 53 angle we have to take between A2 and normal, sir.
That's what you see. That's what you want to see. Suppose here, this is A2, Rudra, sir. Clear? Understand?
Yes, sir.
And this is normal. So that always you have to take this angle only, correct? And this angle,
Yes,
how
sir.
much it is 37. Then what is the remaining
50.
angle? 50.
Yes, sir.
Total
53.
must be what? Acceleration and normal. What is the angle? Total angle 90. Clear?
Yes, sir.
From the surface. This is the surface. Then here is the 37 means. Then here what is that? Remaining 53 only. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Understanding? That is what. So you have to be very careful that. Here whatever I mentioned with the blue color, it is not given in the question. Are you clear? All of you?
Yes, sir.
You should take the data. So that is why I'm saying you redraw the diagram and you can make it. Be very fast and make it, and then only you can do it. Everybody, anybody having any doubt, you can ask me. Always two triangles you should remember. One is 53. 53 means how much is the triangle? Larger side 4, big angle, big side, and small angle, small side. Next, if it is 37, what is that? Small angle, small side.
3, 4.
Yeah, that is. So be smart. So what is the angle? 12 meter per second square. Clear, everybody? Princey, Laksha, Narayan. Anything doubt, Narayan? Yes,
Sir.
yeah. So I understand
Sir,
now.
that above
Tell me, Rudra, sir.
block we are taking 37 because they are given sliding to it.
That is what it is. They should be attached, correct, Rudra, sir. For example, see, this is the one slide. Now, this is the first block. Be very careful. This is the block. Let me take a wedge. This is a wedge. Clear? Now,
Yes, sir.
the block one will come and attach means the both angle is same. Am I right or wrong? It is
Yes,
attached
sir.
in the sense of, then only it will be attached, correct? So here what is the
Yes, sir.
angle? Here, if here 37 means here also how much? 37 only. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Just see that. Once again I will draw. So this is what they are saying, inclination. Now there is inclined surface. So this is what? So now here is the 37 in the sense of, then here also what is the angle? 37 only. Understanding? If it will come and
Yes,
touch
sir.
means, it will come and touch means here also what is the angle? Same 37 only, correct?
Yes, sir.
That you should get the information from the question. You have a smart knowledge only, you can answer. Otherwise, it is not possible. Understand? Because here they not mention 37. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, that is. Now, can anybody find what is the force exerted by wedge on block? Anybody can tell? That is equals to what? At least guess that. What is the force exerted by wedge on block? This is what? The normal. That is what my question. What is the force exerted by wedge on block? That is what? How much you want to calculate it? Anybody? Wedge on block is equals to what? Anybody can tell? That is what equals to normal reaction. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
The force exerted by wedge on block, which is equals to the normal reaction, opposite reaction. Right or wrong? Everybody?
Yes.
All of you. So you can write the question. Wedge mass is, for example, I am mentioning. Wedge mass is equals to 10 kg. How much it is? Wedge mass? 10 kg. Okay. Then find the force on rod by wedge. Find the force on rod by wedge. That is what the question. Now, what is the answer? Can you tell me? Which is equals to what? The force exerted by
Normal
wedge.
force.
Which is, yeah, the force exerted by wedge is equals to normal reaction. Am I right or wrong? All of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
that's all. So what is the normal reaction of wedge? What is the formula? Yes. N cos. What is the draw
N
here?
cos
Check it. N cos 53. That is what the normal reaction. Am I right or wrong? Wedge normal reaction, which is equals to N cos 53.
Yes, sir.
That's all. What is the answer? You can find it. So N is equals to what? All of you. We have to find that N only. So you can simply find it. So first, we all knows that force is equals to mass into acceleration. So which is acting. So that is what normal reaction. So normal reaction is equals to m into a into cos 53. So cos 53 value how much? Mass is 10 kg. Acceleration is how much? Wedge acceleration. We found it. Wedge
12
acceleration. Please respond. 12
12.
meters per second.
12 meters.
Then cos 53 value. Cos 53
4.
value.
3 by 5.
3 by
3
5.
by 5.
That's all. So 5 ones are 5 twos are. So which is equal to 12 twos are 24. So 24 into 3, which is equals how much? Sorry, I have done somewhere
Sir.
mistake. Something we are doing mistake. Anybody can tell what is the mistake I have done? Sorry, Ra. We have done mistake. What is that? 120. This will become 120. I'm doing something error. What is the answer? Am I doing correct?
Seventy two.
Check it, Rudreswar. Somewhere I am doing mistake. N cos 30, N cos 53. So N value provides acceleration also 12 meter per second square. So what is that? So that F must be equals to N cos 55. So N cos 55 means N is equals to N cos 55. N cos 55 means this is how much? First F into A. Let me see that. Okay. So first let me find phi. Somewhere I am doing error. Check it, everyone. Anyway, what I am missing? Mass of the wedge is 10 kg. The acceleration is 12. So if I multiply that, I'll get force equals to. So force equals to F into MA. So 10 into 12 is
Sir, 10 into 12 equal to 120, sir.
120 newtons. Am I right? Then it is acting
Yes,
with
sir.
53-degree angle. So 53-degree angle means it is acting how much? So
3 by 5,
53
sir.
angle means 3 by 5. So
3
if
by
you
5.
solve that one, how much it will come? So 3 by 5.
72,
Yeah,
sir.
sorry. Wait, correct. I have done mistake here only. So that here only we are making the force exerted on wedge, which is equals to normal reaction. So the what is the force exerted here? Force exerted is equals to 120 newtons, which is equals to normal reaction. So normal reaction is how much? N cos 53. Normal reaction is N cos 53, which is equals to M into A. So then what will happen? Answer fastly, everybody.
120 newton.
Yes, we have one turn. This is you can strike it. So here how much? N cos 53 is equals to M into A. So M into A value we got it. How much it is? 120.
12 into 10.
So N into this cos 53 value how much? 3 by 5, which is equals to 120. So N is equals to 120 into 5 divided by 3. Now you can solve it fastly. How much it is answer? Tell me.
80.
120 into 5. Sorry, 120 into 5. How much ra? Which is equals to
200.
600 divided by 3, which is equals to 200 newtons.
200.
Clear, everybody?
200, sir.
Understand, Rudreswar? So the
Yes, sir.
force exerted by wedge is equals to normal reaction. So what is the force exerted by the wedge? Which F is equals to MA. F is equals to N. That is what it is. So N means N cos 53, which is acting. So F value is how much? We all know that. M into A, which is equals to N into cos 53 value, how much? 3 by 5. Cos 53 value, 3 by 5. Mass is 10 kg. Acceleration is 12, which is equals to N into what? 3 by 5. So if you solve that one, you will get the answer. So which is equals to 120 into 5 divided by 3, which is equals to N, which is equals to 200 newtons. What is the normal? What is the force exerted by? What is the force exerted by wedge on block? Everybody? Is equals to
200.
200 newtons. Do you understand, everybody, how to calculate it? All of you? So wedge
Yes,
mass is
yes,
10 kg, for example. Next question you can continue. So find the force exerted on the rod by the wedge. So what is that? The force exerted by wedge is equals to normal reaction. That's all. You can equate it, you will get the answer. Clear, everybody? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is what about constraint motion. So there is plenty of sums. Today I have sent you many books. Do you all remember that? So one of the best notes, handwritten notes also I have sent you. So when I'm going through that books, there is no time. There is really wonderful questions. It is there. Even the PDFs which I send you. So really, there is a very beautiful questions. It is there. So how you practice? See, I am providing a sources GB material. Am I right? It is not even MBs. Till now, I think how much GB I have sent you, I don't know. So you have to utilize. It's time to work hard. You just realize, balance the time and make it. So now actually I received one more around 35 files. Files means 35 PDFs from individual chapters. But I want to know how much you people can use maximum. Okay, so please kindly make it. Now fourth chapter is also almost complete, almost not everything over, only practice is remaining. You should go through that. Then tomorrow we'll start work, energy and power. Clear everybody? So hardly 10 days we have to finish that, so that at least volume 1 by August middle at least we can end it, so that we can start the volume 2 by, we'll fix a target by November we have to complete the 11 syllabus. Understand everybody? Yes.
Okay, sir.
Kindly work
Yes,
out.
sir.
See, part 2 is you will feel more comfortable than volume 1. Like volume 1 is only little bit lengthy chapters, but the disadvantage of volume 2 is many complicated topics. Complicated means imagination is more than, even coming chapters you can see rotational motion and all will come. I don't know how to make you to understand better, because imagination is more than explanation. You should imagine. Physics means imagination only. You cannot express anything in a physical thing. Everything is cannot be visible. Only imagination. So be vacant. Everything follow strictly the instructions whatever I have given. Bus and all. Try to use the times. We have to be very smart. Already we finished 44 chapters. So work out how much you can do. You do it. Okay. Thank you everybody. We'll meet tomorrow. So be very sincere. Kindly focus on work. I need 100% effect for a result from everybody's. There is we are working for something, fight for that. Ready always, you have to be energized to work. Don't feel tired, don't feel divert. Always you aim for what we want. Other than this, nothing you need. I'm saying you. Nothing will help you for your studies. Only your hard work you have to do it. Okay. Thank you all of you. Take care. Tomorrow we'll meet. Wake up morning, every day morning, 1 hour, whatever the day, I don't care. PT exam, this exam, that exam. 1 hour strictly you do practice for NEET or JEE. Aim it, target it and work out. Okay. Thank you everyone. We'll meet tomorrow.